This is our 2005 BMW E90 320i in sapphire black. It has a black leather interior, sport package, but most of all, a lot of problems. First problem. We have a rock hard brake pedal, but no brakes. And whatever this mess is. Since this is a BMW, obviously it comes with all the common problems as you might expect, like this valve cover leak. Here I am removing the air filter intake, so we can have a look at the crankshaft, since I know these tend to leak as well, so let's have a look. And of course there is a leak at the crankshaft, so we'll have to take the pulley off, remove the seal and put the new seal in. Now this has to be done with specialized tools, which right now I don't have, but I already put them in order. So yeah, let's wait for those, new seal, and then we can tackle this as well. Not to mention the car has an enormous fuel smell when running on idle or pressing the gas, so I suspect this has something to do with the evap system. The purge valve is probably stuck, so we'll have to have a look at that as well. Then another common problem on these BMWs is the oil filter housing gasket that starts leaking. Basically they harden and oil starts seeping through, so another job for on the list. Now while I'm doing this, I will immediately do the oil filter gasket as well, since while I'm in there, I might just tackle that as well. Then the next thing I wanted to do is plug the diagnostic tool in the car and check out what errors it has and what stored faults. Now surprisingly this turned out better than I expected. So the scan has been completed. It's actually really good. We don't have that many faults, only one, which is for JB, the junction box electronics. I'm gonna go in here and read the fault code, which is an A6D1 code. This is the auxiliary water pump, which is located on the side of the engine, and this is actually an extra pump that makes sure that when your car is idling, that your interior gets cooled for the airco system. So it's a pretty minor fault that we have. It's nothing mechanically that's a big thing or no catastrophic failures. What I do, however, find very weird is that we don't have any issues or any faults stored for the brake pedal and why it is behaving like it is. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did not know what this blue box was under the clutch pedal. Now turns out this was actually the box that regulates the Parrot Bluetooth system. So yeah, I will take this out since this is from a bygone era. So yeah, this is not needed anymore, as I'm planning to install an Android unit in the future in this car. In the last video I stated that I was looking for a project car because this is what I want to do with the channel. I want to buy a car with issues, I want to buy cars that have things wrong with them, I want to fix them up, flip them, and then use that money to basically invest in a new project. Now doing this was all easier said than done. It took me weeks to find any suitable candidate. I went to look at several cars, all of them worse than the previous one. So it took a while to find a car. Now I wanted a BMW, I was looking at Volkswagens, I was looking at Mercedes. Everything was out of budget, and the ones that were in budget, they were just too far gone. Now this is the one that I came up with. I think this is a very good score considering I only paid around 1,300 euros for this and all the issues that it has. They're all fixable here in the garage, and looking at the prices, yeah, I can sell it with a profit and then use that profit to keep the channel going and yeah, take on bigger projects as time goes by. But here she is loaded up on the trailer on her way home. The body lines are straight, no accident damage whatsoever. Obviously for a 20-year-old car it has some issues, and interior has also some wear and tear, like the steering wheel, but that's already ordered and a new one will be put on there. And when all the work is done, she will get a full clean and detail, so she's ready to go and becomes roadworthy again. Now, if you would like to see me repair this car, then please consider subscribing, as I see that over 92% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, and I would really love to get to 100 subscribers. So please like and subscribe, it would help me out a lot. We're gonna give the car the work it needs and the love it deserves. Like and subscribe to the channel to see the next episode where we start all the work and get it back roadworthy.